The H-1B visa, your U.S. career gateway. It's the most popular work visa for professionals. Here's why. The H-1B is a temporary U.S. work visa made for skilled professionals in specialty fields like tech, finance, and engineering. To qualify, you'll need at least a bachelor's degree or an equivalent level of specialized knowledge in your field. Next, you need a concrete job offer from a U.S. employer in your area of specialty. No job offer, no H-1B. Only U.S. employers can sponsor H-1B applicants. Your employer files the petition for you. It's their move, not yours. Every year, demand for H-1B spots exceeds supply. A computerized lottery decides who gets a chance to apply. If selected, you can work in the U.S. for 3 years, renewable once for a total of up to 6 years. Your spouse and children under 21 can accompany you on H-4 visas, allowing your family to join you in the U.S. The H-1B is a dual-intent visa. This means you can apply for a green card without jeopardizing your status. Many use the H-1B as a bridge to permanent residency, the first big step in the journey toward living and working in America long-term. The H-1B allows you to move between employers, switch jobs in your specialty, and advance your career in the U.S. market. U.S. employers prefer the H-1B because it's designed for skilled professionals and offers a clear, reliable process for hiring talent. The H-1B is open to all qualified professionals, engineers, analysts, healthcare experts, and more, regardless of nationality. It offers long-term stability, a 3-year stay, renewable for 3 more, giving you time to build your U.S. career. For global professionals, the H-1B visa is the key to opportunity. Your degree and job offer can launch your new U.S. journey,